Hello everyone, how are you? So today we'll be working on the one of the Java programming codes on find the index of the array element in Java. Okay, for example, if I will be taking one array a is equal to 5 comma 4 comma 6 comma 1 comma 3 comma 2 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, and we need to find the index element of 5. Okay, for example, k is equal to 5, need to find the index value. Okay, if I will be putting the input of k is equal to 5, then I will be getting a result output as 0. Why? Because the 5 stand on 0 index. Okay, as you all know that the index will always start with 0. So if for example if k is equal to 4, then our output will be 1. Okay, so let's start working on the Java. But before for starting, you need to install one Eclipse, or other than this you can use a online platform on Java online platform, online compiler. Okay, first of all what we need to do is we need to import scanner. Okay, import java.util star is for everything, like star will contain Java scanner and other than that also. Okay, then after that you need to create one class. Class can be array element, can be anything, any name, any variable it can be. Okay, then after that you have to write public static void main string arg. Yes, okay. Then after that we need to use scanner. Okay, scanner sc is equal to new scanner. Sc you can use any variable, like instead of sc you can write your name, you can write anything, obj also, you can write test also, it can be anything. Okay, and s should be a capital one. Okay, then after that we need to give an input as the size of the array. We need to ask about what is the size of the array. That is the initial part of the code, is to find the size of the array. First of all we need to check. Okay, then only I will be inputting all the array using a for loop. Okay, int n is equal to sc.next int. Okay, because I will be taking all the input as integer form. Okay, that's why sc.next int. If it will be a string, then string n is equal to sc.next line, or it can be a next only. So for that number of size will be in integer form only. Inside that, if you want to give a string instead of an integer, then you can give. It depends on you. Okay, but yeah, this question is for to find the index of the array. Okay, then again what you need to do is int a is equal to new int n. Okay, again here I'll be giving one input, like I will be asking one question like enter the size of array. Okay, then again system.out.println enter the value. Okay, after that we'll be using a for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I can be less than n, I plus 1. Okay, now here we need to find the first of all is a of I is equal to sc.next int. Okay, like with the help of this you can give all the value till how much the size of the array will be there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, size of the array is 9, so it will be n is equal to 5 and 9, and you have to give all the value for till 9, or if n is equal to 8 then 8 or 5, anything. Okay, then again you have to close the for loop and go outside. In this system.out.println, enter the value to be search. Okay, here what you need to do is you have to take one more int value sc.next int. Okay, again you have to use the for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than n. Okay, now here what we have to do, if in one condition we have to give the if statement condition, if a of I, array of I. Okay, the array of I is the array of I is this one. Okay, if array of I is equal to the value, if any value is, if I will be giving a value as a 5, I have given those value. If I will be asking about find the value is 5. So if array of I, if it is true, okay, if the condition is true, then what output it will be giving as a flag. Okay, for that what we need to do is we need to give one variable int flag. Okay, is equal to 0, like I will be initializing as 0 first of all. So if a of I is equal to 0, then flag is equal to only is equal to 1. Okay, now just come out of the if condition, if loop, then for loop also. Then what you need to do is if flag is equal to 1, if it is 1, okay, then system.out.println, print me the index part. Okay, index, that will be I will define like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As I told you that the index will always start with 0. Okay, else zero. Okay, if it is the condition is false, then I'll be getting as a 0. If the if condition is true, then I will be getting the index number of that value, that array element, that what I will be asking. Okay, so let's compile this. Okay, just save it. Okay, some error is this. Okay, so what we need to do is one more thing, int I. Okay, then here we have to remove int. Okay, see, so enter the size of the array. Okay, size of the array, what I will be giving is 5. Okay, so need to give the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we need to find the value, that value I need to find the value for 3. For example, let's say 3. Okay, so I am getting as 5. So something is wrong here. Okay, something is wrong with what I have given. Okay, let me check. Okay, 3 to 0, 1, 2. I need to get a result as 0, 1, 2. Let me check here also. Is there any error or not? Yeah, here I'm getting key 3. Okay. Here I'm getting a value as a 3, but yeah, okay, but here I am not getting. Need to check what is the issue. So here what we need to do is, one thing I have done wrong. Okay, so we need to remove this and just we have to put it inside this if condition only, because outside for loop the condition what I have given is not satisfied according to that. Okay, so for that what we need to do is, like, if value is equal to this and this, if flag is equal to 1, print I. Okay, now I will be just commenting this one. Okay, I will be writing the index element okay. So let me check one more time, is it working or not. 5, then 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, right now I need to find the value for the 3. See, index element is okay. Now it will be showing me like index element 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so what I have done wrong. So again what we need to do is, let's check one more time. Okay, so something is wrong. So what we need to do is just again shift it outside the for loop. Okay, and what we need to do is, here one thing more what I have to write is a break statement. Break we have to keep. Okay, terminate those line. Okay, we need to break those condition line. Okay, terminate the line. Like, let's check one more time. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now if I'll be giving as a 3. Okay, 0 1 2. So now I am getting the result properly. Index element is 2, is 0 1 and 2. Okay, if I will be giving an index value as 6, okay, I need to find the index value for 131. Index is 0 because the index always start with 0, then 131 is at 1 to 131 is at 1. Okay, you can do it like this. Okay, this is the one method. Other method, like one more method there, I will show you that one also. You need to just remove this part. Okay, just remove this and this one also. Okay, simply write system.out.println I also. Okay, you can give it like this also. This is one more thing. 45. So here the index value is 0 1 2 3. You can get it from like this also. Okay, this is another method that you will be getting. But if in the input it is given that if it will be a negative one, if it will be a negative value, or it can be like if the any value is not being inside that array, so you need to that time you have to the output will be a 0. Then at that time we have to give a previous one the flag part. Okay, that flag is equal to 1. If flag is equal to 1, then system dot out println I, otherwise else 0. Okay, that part you can do it like, for example, like this is a thing. I will give you that part also. I will tell you like five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I will be giving a value as a 6, so my output will be a 0 1. Okay, see, so 0 is like for 0, no result. Okay, invalid result I will give. Okay, invalid result. See, I am getting an invalid result. Okay, so this is a thing what you need to do to find the array element in Java, index of array element in Java. Okay, this is a simple code. A small error is there, like a break statement error is there to terminate the line, otherwise the code will run and run and run till any time. That's why I'm just getting the error. Break statement you have to give like break. Okay, same thing like if you are using a switch case and condition, you need to give a break statement to terminate or line, otherwise the condition will go on the next one case to another case also. So I'll not be giving a break statement. Okay, so this is the code for to find the array index of the array index element. Okay, part. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you.